You've clicked this video and done the right thing. It just shows that you want to learn English and I teach English. So watch this video right till the end because I'm going to give you 5 steps you need to take to learn English. So follow exactly everything that I tell you. Because I'm a certified TELW trainer. TELW stands for Teaching English to Speakers of Other Languages. And I've been in this training zone for over 17 years now. Welcome to TELW, the English Workshop. My name is Manu. Before I go any further, I want you to subscribe to this channel because this channel has got 2 kinds of videos. One is your academic videos, as I call them. They contain the grammar and voice quality and all the communication skills, etc. The other kind of video will be like this one, which tell you what to do apart from studying those grammar and all that. And in the subsequent videos, there'll be more coming up. I'll tell you a lot more things that you need to do. But this video is for all those people who want to learn English, who want to improve their English, or who already have some English and they want to polish it. Let's start with the first one. Watch the basic English teaching videos. This is the first suggestion that I have for you. What to watch. And now why to watch them? Because they lay that foundation. See, you may know some English, you may know very good English, but there are certain aspects that are still missing, which is why you clicked on this video, by the way. So watch them. They could be the polite expressions, they could be some the voice quality issues, or some chunks that you aren't able to express in your regular word. They might seem pretty insignificant to you, but they do have a very huge, maybe a butterfly effect in the end. We got some basic videos on our channel as well, and we'll be uploading more of them. Watch them, see what you are missing. If you watch them enough number of times, you will get newer elements coming out each time. In my videos, you'll find grammar, voice quality, and the communication bit, the soft part of English. Grammar is the hard part. Softer part is the voice quality. The softest part, the chunks, what to say, where to say, how to say it, the basic communication bit. All these things are blended together in my videos. Watch them as well. So why should you watch those videos? For the beginner level students, you will get those preset questions and answers. They're called chunks. Let's not call them questions and answers. They are chunks that you can use without worrying about the grammar and all the voice quality, etc. Don't worry about those nitty-gritty. Start using them straight away. That will help you overcome your fear, your shyness and all that. And for those who are kind of trying to learn better, improve their English skills, you'll get those areas that are missing. For instance, polite expressions. If you want to ask a time, let's say, how do you normally ask? Time? You don't say that. How to be polite and sophisticated? You say, excuse me, could you tell me the time, please? That's pretty good body language, by the way. And those who want to polish their English, they're grammatically correct. But again, these polite expressions and other communication skill areas will also be included in that, where they can get and start applying them as well. They'll polish their English. And the thing I want to say here is, you'll find these 3 things only in our videos. I've got a few videos already on my channel on the basic English. For instance, the first video has the greetings and introductions, how to greet and introduce yourselves, and about basics about where you live, how to describe the place where you live. Then there's a thing about pronouncing, how to distinguish between 13 and 30, etc. The teens and the tens. How to tell your mobile numbers and email ID. Then the second video talks about work, I guess. Then third video talks about in details about the place where you live, the town or city that you're in. There's another video on how to describe your house. So like I said, these videos have the grammar elements and the voice quality elements and the communication elements, the 3 things that you need Don't bother about grammars and rules and all that. Listen, practice, speak. But this is at the basic level. Second step, as you listen to the video, you come across the various chunks that the instructor tells you. Pause the video there. Practice them. Repeat them. Make a note of those chunks and repeat them till you are comfortable. When you repeat them, make sure that you repeat as close to the instructor as you can. But be careful not to copy the accent. So when you write down only those words that you can use. And you can have, the instructor may give you some fancy words as well. Don't use them. Don't write them actually. Once you have practiced enough, put the video to a side. Stand in front of the mirror and practice it. How do you practice? That video will have a theme and you got the chunks in the video that you practiced. Now talk on that theme using these chunks. For instance, if it's describing a house, you know all the vocabularies and the structures that you have in the house. The theme is house. So start talking about the house using these structures and vocabs. Practice them till you are perfect. Then go to the fourth step. Record yourself. Again, you're still standing in front of the mirror. Record yourself in the mirror so you can see your body language and you start speaking so you can listen to your words. And make sure that you use only those chunks that you can use. That's very important that I told you last time. And as you record, be careful that if you pause anyway, if you stutter or stammer, stop the recording and start afresh. Once you recorded that, compare it with the original video, but be careful when you compare. Avoid trying to copy the accent of that speaker. We don't want the accent. Your accent is fine. All you have to do is reduce your accent. But that doesn't mean you're going to copy that other person's accent. Look at the way they speak, they pronounce the words and all that, but minus the accent. I'll give you one example. Suppose they say things like, I want you to do that. Don't do that. It simply says, I want you to do that. That's an accent. You don't want that. You say, I want you to do that. That's your accent, which is not an accent really, it's zero accent. Finally, the fifth step, go outside and start speaking. In another video, I've told you how subscribing to my YouTube channel will help you make YouTube your best friend in your process of learning English. So if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel like I said again, and see you in the next video.